Hello dear students, let us continue the lesson solution again. Today we will see the formula of percentage V by V. Volume percent V by V. Volume percent, that is V by V. V by V means ऊपर भी volume, नीचे भी volume, so ml upon ml. So volume percent is given by, अगर अपने को निकालना है volume percent of a component is given by volume of the component divided by total volume of the solution, total volume of solution into percent है इसलिए 100, right? So this is the formula to know the volume percent of a component. Suppose कोई अपने को कहता है कि 20% इथेनॉल सॉल्यूशन इज देयर, 20% इथेनॉल यानी C2H5OH सॉल्यूशन इज देयर. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? 20 ml इथेनॉल इज डिजॉल्व सो दैट द टोटल सॉल्यूशन इज 100 ml, यानी 80 ml ऑफ सॉल्वेंट में वो डिजॉल्व हुआ है. क्लियर है? Now let us come for the next part, that is known as mole fraction. Mole fraction. Mole fraction हमने पहले भी निकाला हुआ है 11th में. Mole fraction में के लिए सबसे पहला formula we should know, that is n is equal to small m upon capital M, where n means number of moles, small m मतलब mass given, and m means molar mass, right? By knowing, अभी किसी चीज का mole fraction निकालना हो तो हमें कैसे निकालना पड़ेगा? मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ए कंपोनेंट इज गिवन बाय मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ए कंपोनेंट. किसी एक कंपोनेंट का अगर मोल फ्रैक्शन निकालना है, कंपोनेंट इज गिवन बाय नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ कंपोनेंट, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ कंपोनेंट डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल मोल्स, टोटल moles या total number of moles of the all components, of all the components. समझ में आया? So it is also written as mole fraction को आगे हमें जरूरत पड़ेगी. It is also denoted by x. So अगर मुझे a component का mole fraction निकालना है, so xa is equal to na, small n मतलब समझ में आया, number of moles of a divided by number of moles of A plus number of moles of B, total number of moles. Similarly, if you have to take out x mole fraction of component B, so it will be given as moles of B divided by number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. This is the mole fraction formula. Now let us solve a question based upon this mole fraction. So now let us solve the question number 2.2 or in-text question 2.2. Those who do not have textbook right now, so I have sent the PDF of lesson 2. So you see in-text question 2.2. Calculate the mole fraction of benzene. Calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 30% by mass in carbon tetrachloride CCl4, right? So mole fraction of benzene we have to calculate. So let us calculate the molar mass of benzene. Let us calculate the molar mass of benzene is C6H6, right? So C6H6 यानी you know 12 into 6 plus 1 into 6. So it is 72 and 6, 78 gram per mole. Right? Similarly, calculate the molar mass of CCl4. So C is 12 plus Cl yani 35.5 into 4. So 12 plus 35.5 into 4 is equal to, oh I'm sorry, 35.5 into 4 is equal to 142. G2 is equal to 224, 4 and 1, 5, 154 gram per mole. So we have calculated the molar mass. Now we have what we have to calculate, children? Molar fraction of benzene. So molar fraction of benzene के लिए we will need to calculate the moles of benzene. Therefore, N moles of benzene is equal to mass given. अब mass given तो मालूम ही नहीं है, कैसे मालूम चलेगा? So it is given that 30% by mass. See the question. यानी 30 gram benzene. 30 gram benzene. Obviously, when 30 gram benzene is there, so 70 gram is CCl4. Solvent is 30 gram benzene. So solvent is CCl4. So 70 gram is CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. You understood, children? So 30 gram given mass divided by molar mass. So it is 78. So 30 by 78, when you will calculate 30 divided by 78 is equal to 0.3846. 0.3846. It is moles of benzene, right? Similarly, we will calculate moles of carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4, is equal to, how much carbon tetrachloride is there? 70 divided by 78 is equal to. So from where 70 came? 70 is, so 70 divided by molar mass of carbon tetrachloride is 154. So 70 divided by 154. So let us calculate here. 70 divided by 154 is equal to 0.4545. ये क्या निकाला हमने? Number of moles of benzene we have calculated, number of moles of CCl4 we have calculated. Try to understand from where 30 gram benzene came, because in the question itself it was given that 30% by mass is benzene. So 30 gram benzene is dissolved in 70 gram of CCl4. So we have calculated number of moles of benzene and number of moles of CCl4. Now mole fraction of benzene only we have to calculate. So mole fraction यानी आप अभी बताया था तुमको x से डिनोट करते हैं. So mole fraction of benzene is equal to moles of benzene divided by total moles. Total moles यानी moles of C6H6 plus moles of CCl4 is equal to, what are the moles of benzene? 0.3846 divided by 0.3846 plus 0.4545. 4545. So is equal to, so by this method you get moles of benzene were 0.3846 divided by this plus this. Yani moles of benzene plus moles of carbon tetrachloride is equal to, when you will divide it will give us 0.458. So we can say the final answer is 0.458. What we have calculated? Mole fraction of benzene. Okay, now let us solve the in-text question 2.3. Okay, so in-text question 2.3 is interesting question hai. See the question. Calculate the molarity of each of following solution. A, yani first question, 30 gram of cobalt nitrate. Here CO means cobalt. Cobalt nitrate 6H2O in 4.3 liter of solution. And second part is 30 ml of 0.5 molar H2SO4 diluted to 500 ml. Cobalt atomic mass is given to us, that is 59U. Right? So molarity formula first we have to recall. Molarity means molarity is equal to mass given, mass of component divided by molar mass into volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. This portion is also number of moles. You remember children, small m upon capital M. Anyways we can calculate. So first of all we need to calculate the molar mass of cobalt nitrate 6H2O. So let us calculate molar mass of CONO3 twice 6H2O, right? So cobalt is 59, it is given to us 59 plus NO3 twice, N yani 14, 14 2s are. So 14 into 2, why 2 you know, plus O yani 16, 16 into 6 plus 6H2O, H2O we know it is 18. So 6 into 18, directly I am doing here. So 59 plus 28 plus 96 plus 108. Let me calculate it. It will give us 59 plus 28 plus 96 plus 108. 108 is equal to 291. So it is 291 gram per mole. Molar mass we have calculated. So therefore molarity is equal to what is the mass of the component? कितना दे रखा है? What is given? 30 gram. Clear? It is given in the question. So 30 divided by its molar mass, that is 291, into what volume is given? 4.3 liter. So it is already given in liter. So no need to convert it in ml or anything. So 30 divided by 291 into 4.3. So 30 divided by 291 into 4.3, it will give 30 divided by this is equal to 0.023 molar. So A part of the question is solved. Correct, children? Now let us come for B part of the question. 30 ml of 0.5 molar H2SO4. You understand, children? Because we are going to the lab every day. So we know 0.5 molar H2SO4 ka 30 ml and it is diluted to 500 ml. So here we can go directly for the formula, that is M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. M1 is given to us, that is 0.5. Correct? And what is V1? Volume, पहला volume क्या है? That is 30. So 0.5 into 30 is equal to diluted to 500 ml. Molarity we have to find out. When it is diluted, what is the new molarity? So M2 into V2. What is V2? 500. Both are in ml, so no problem. Now let us 35 is 150. So 15 is equal to M2 into 500. M2 into V2. Therefore, यानी 15 is equal to M2 into वॉल्यूम कितना बनाया हमने 500 ml. So M2 is equal to 15 divided by 500. So let us solve it. It will give us 15 divided by 500. 15 divided by 500 is equal to 0.03 molar. 0.3 molar. So the molarity of the solution is now 0.03 molar. This is answer.